My video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called SSEAR. SSEAR is a new ransomware, and my video is only for educational purposes though. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So before the ransomware attack, you are definitely able to open these files without any troubles. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, very soon this SSEAR ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. And it is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this SSEAR extension to the file names. So it's definitely impossible to use these files anymore. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a certain ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money, so don't pay it. Now, what I recommend you to do urgently is to get rid of this ransomware automatically. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and this is the way it looks like. The software is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on this Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature helps to effectively detect this ransomware, to remove this ransomware, and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks, but it does not decrypt files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually based on the information about the locations of threats. Even though my stronger recommendation is that you consider upgrading to the premium license. As I said, premium license will help you to always get your data protected from all further ransomware attacks. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully accomplished, and consider premium license. You can always request free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Once again, as I said, Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it helps to effectively detect, remove this ransomware, and to protect your data. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to recover your data.